Hello everyone, welcome back to the earnings review channel. Today we are diving into SMCI stock and examine whether it's set to rise or fall for the upcoming earnings. Let's get started. Let's start with the technical analysis to gain insights into what might happen with the stock price. On January 29, 2024, SMCI stock was in uptrend and the price went up after the earnings. On April 30, 2024, SMCI stock was in downtrend and the price went down after earnings. Currently, the stock is forming again a downtrend. We see the same downtrend pattern for the last earnings and upcoming earnings. However, the last time the stock price was near to the resistance. This time the stock price is near to the support and coming reversal could potentially break the resistance and go higher. Now let's look at the previous earnings price actions. Currently the estimated EPS is 8.10 and revenue is 5.30 billion. Q1 EPS beats by 19.40% and revenue missed by 1.20%. At the stock price is dropped by $120 approximately. Q4 EPS beats by 8.32% and revenue beats by 12.49%, leading to a $17.3 increase in the stock price. Q3 EPS beats by 5.65% and revenue beats by 2.77%, with the stock price rising by $12.8. As per this data, the price went up when EPS and revenue beat expectations and went down when the revenue missed expectations. Insiders options activity. So insiders bought calls with premium of 397k and 2 puts bought with premium of 1607k and 2 puts sold with a premium of 5440k. The overall sentiment based on the options activity for SMCI appears bullish, mainly driven by the large premium collected from selling puts. Short float analysis. The borrow rate is 0.30 and short shares available is 1.40 billion. Short interest is 4.24. Short float is 8.45% and days to cover is 0.77 days. The overall picture seems to lean slightly towards a bullish sentiment due to the low borrow rate and the higher number of short shares available and the relatively low short float and low days to cover. Key points: price up if EPS and revenue beat expectations and price falls if revenue missed based on the last 3 earnings. Technical chart indicates a downtrend pattern, but the stock price is at support level and reversal is coming. Insider options sentiment is bullish and short float indicates a bullish sentiment, and price targets low as 328.25 and average as $1023.88 and high as $1575. Overall sentiment looks bullish. Note this video is only for educational purpose only, not for the financial advice. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you in the next video.